Picture this. You're reaching for that turmeric jar when suddenly your mind wanders to a friend who swore by turmeric for their aching joints. Or maybe you've seen those social media posts about turmeric and wondered, is there really something to this bright yellow powder? Well, here's the scoop. Turmeric is like having an all-in-one health boost right in your spice rack. And the reason, it's secret ingredient. Now, you might be thinking, wait, what does curcumin actually do? Well, first off, curcumin is like a superhero for fighting inflammation. You know, that annoying thing that makes your joints feel like they've got a million tiny bells going off. Or how about those random twinges when you bend down to pick something up? Yep, that's inflammation. And curcumin is here to bring the peace. By taming that inflammation, curcumin helps you move better, feel better, and have more energy. No more wondering why your yoga pose is way tighter than last week, or why your morning jog feels more like a heavy walk. And here's a brain booster. Remember those all-nighters fueled by coffee and instant noodles? Yeah, me neither. But seriously, studies show that curcumin can help your brain stay focused and alert. It's like hitting the refresh button on your mental game. Feeling foggy or off your game? A little turmeric might be your secret weapon to staying sharp and focused. But wait, there's more. Did someone say heart health? Absolutely. Curcumin comes to the rescue again, helping to keep your heart happy and healthy. Studies have shown that curcumin can support healthy blood flow and cholesterol levels. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your heart. So whether you're indulging in a spicy curry or sipping a turmeric latte, you're giving your heart some extra love. Here's the turmeric tip you've been waiting for. Want to boost its powers even more? Add a pinch of black pepper. When these two unite, curcumin's effectiveness goes through the roof. Plus, a little healthy fat, like from coconut or avocado oil, helps too. They form a dynamic duo that makes curcumin up to 2,000% more absorbable, so your body can really soak up those benefits. Ready to give turmeric a try? Here's your easy golden milk recipe. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of honey in a glass of warm milk. And for an extra kick, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Stir, sip, and feel the cozy turmeric goodness. Remember, a little turmeric goes a long way. Around a teaspoon or 2 a day is the sweet spot. And if you're on meds like blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Too much turmeric might upset your stomach or give you an unexpected detox. Not exactly what you want when you're trying to feel better. Ready to unlock the golden secrets of You got this. And hey, if you're enjoying these wellness insights, share the love. Your friends will thank you.